Hi, my name is Terry Davis and thanks for joining us today to take a look at Boston Whaler's 17-foot Dauntless. This one today that we're looking at has the hull color, white bottom, white rub rail with the gray insert. A few specs: the overall length of the Dauntless is 17 feet. Beam is 6 feet 10 inches. And it carries 35 gallons of fuel. Our stock boat here is optioned with the bimini top, the bow cushion, fishing package, and it's powered with the 90 Mercury FourStroke. There are 4 additional rod holders at the transom, a pair of jump seats to port and starboard. The reversible pilot seat can either be facing forward as it is now, and there are 4 more adjustments that will let it face aft. This boat is equipped with the Fusion stereo with 2 speakers. Batteries are housed under the console with an off-on switch as well. This boat, we have deleted the standard bow rail and have the low profile grab rails down either side. And this boat can be seen at Wrightsville Beach. Please come take a look and give me a call. That's Terry Davis. Or you can reach us at 910-256-8100. Thank you.